Buongiorno a tutti! In this video I want to talk to you about two things. One, to share with you things that I learned on Busuu, and second, to talk about dopamine. So stay tuned. First of all, on Busuu I learned the adverbs of frequency. Ogni giorno, ogni sera, ogni mattina, il fine settimana, una volta alla settimana, 2, 3, 4 volte alla settimana. Let me use them in the sentences. Studio l'italiana su Busuu ogni giorno. Guardo Netflix ogni sera. Faccio YouTube video ogni mattina. Faccio sport 2 o 3 volte alla settimana. That was what I've learned. And as I told you, on Busuu, they have this option when you can record yourself saying something and then just send it to the Busuu community and people can correct you or comment you. And I recorded basically what I just told you, and in 10 minutes I get this notification that somebody corrected my recording. So I go there and it just says one word, bellissima. And it gave me such a nice feeling, and I recognized it as a dopamine released in my brain. So I thought, hey, I need to talk to you about it, about dopamine. You probably heard that, oh, dopamine, the teenagers, they get dopamine addicted when they play computer games. Yes, that's true. But another thing, that dopamine is very important for learning. You get dopamine when somebody gives you an honest praise, when you feel like you've done something, you feel like you've learned something new, and you feel proud of yourself for doing that. So that's when the dopamine is released in your brain and you feel good and it makes you want to continue. So that's why I say that checklists are so important, because you put something on your checklist and then you do it and you tick it off your checklist and you get such a dopamine release that makes you want to continue with whatever you're doing. Also on Busuu, every time you log in, it shows you your progress. It shows you how many words you've learned so far and how many days you've been doing it, and what percentage of the language you've actually learned. Something like this. And you look at it and you say, wow, I'm making progress. So in your language learning or in any learning, make sure you set your goals and you monitor your progress, and when you see your progress, you get your dopamine, and it will encourage you not to give up, but just keep on going. So whatever you do today, just keep on going. Don't give up. Bye-bye.